Yes. Hello, my good fans out there. Welcome. I remain Dr. D.I. June, your lecturer on chemistry and social media. Our past lectures were dealing with Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes, and we have seen some calculations based on that law. Today, we are dwelling on another law, and it's titled Avogadro's Law. Avogadro's Law. Avogadro compounded a law, and the law was named after him as Avogadro's law. Now, what does the law say? Listen to it. The law states that equal volumes of all gases, under the same conditions of temperature and pressure, contain equal number of molecules. You see? That equal volumes of all gases. Didn't say some gases, all gases. Under the same condition of temperature and pressure, contain equal number of molecules. Remember in our lecture past, kinetic theory of gases, that every matter is composed of particles. We call ions, or molecules, or atoms, or electrons, or protons. Now, we have three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. And we know how these solids, liquid, and gas, we know how these molecules are packed. And we have discussed that before. Now, it's not saying that all gases under the same temperature and pressure, and if you have equal in volume, they contain equal number of molecules. That's what it's saying. Now, according to Avogadro, the equal number of molecules are contained in equal volumes of gases. So therefore, by applying Avogadro's law, the volume of gases can be changed to the number of moles that it contains. For example, now look at it. You see reaction 1. If you balance the equation, this is the reaction between hydrogen and oxygen giving steam. Now, if you are following, first of all, Gay-Lussac's law, by this balanced equation, it means that 2 volumes of hydrogen reacted with what? 1 volume of oxygen to produce 2 volumes of steam. So if you go by the volume of the gas ratio, that means volume ratio, it means 2:1:2. That is based on Gay-Lussac's law of combining volume. Now, Avogadro is now saying that these gases will contain equal number of molecules at the same temperature and pressure. So it means that the volumes is converted to moles in the case of Avogadro. Now look at this here. So if you are going by Avogadro's law, so the mole ratio will be that 2 moles of hydrogen reacted with 1 mole of oxygen to produce 2 moles of steam. So the mole ratio is now 2:1:2. So that's what he's saying. Now look at also reaction 2. Here, 1 volume of hydrogen reacted with 1 volume of chlorine to produce 2 volumes of what? Hydrogen chloride gas. So if you are taking Gay-Lussac's law into consideration for the first time, it means that 1 volume of hydrogen reacted with 1 volume of what? Chlorine to produce what? 2 volumes of hydrogen chloride gas. If you are converting this to real volumes, let's say cubic centimeter, it means that 1 cubic centimeter of hydrogen gas reacted with what? 1 volume of chlorine gas to produce 2 cubic centimeter of what? Hydrogen chloride gas. So what is the volume ratio? It means 1:1 and is to what? To 2. That is, you are now interpreting this law based on Gay-Lussac's law. Now, Avogadro is saying that these volumes can be converted to moles. So by going through Avogadro's law, it means that 1 mole of hydrogen gas reacted with 1 mole of chlorine gas to produce 2 moles of hydrogen chloride gas. So the mole ratio will be what? 1:1:2. Now, Avogadro is now saying that now, look at it now, equal volumes. We have 1 of hydrogen, 1 of chlorine. It's now saying that if these gases now react with each other under the same temperature and pressure, they will contain equal number of particles or molecules in them. That's what he's talking about. So now, the issue is this. He said all gases. Now, how Avogadro determine the number of moles that are present in a gas if they are equal in volume in reaction? That is another food for thought for another day. So, it's now saying that equal volumes of all gases under the same temperature and pressure contain equal numbers of molecules. So, like it, comment. Please follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. YouTube, you have created it. Thank you.